Okay, hi, my name is Camila Bermudez. Today I'm going to talk about content-based instruction for Didactica la Lengua Inglesa with the teacher Sulimar Ruiz Huertas in Secar Virtual. Method, didactic, and pedagogic. Pedagogy is the biggest of the two as it covers the way and how of education, but also talks and thinks about the curriculum, the values, the visions on education. Pedagogy can therefore be more philosophical by moments. Method is a system or a way of doing something. An example of a method is a teacher's way of cracking an egg in a cooking class. So the method is how we teach what I want they learn, what kind of things I do to teach my class. Didactics focuses on the how. It's more mechanic, often easier to research. Didactics is the exercises that my students have to do to learn what I teach. Content-based instruction. Content-based instruction is an approach to language teaching that focuses not on the language itself, but rather on what is being taught through the language. That is, the language becomes the medium through which something new is learned. For example, language plus content equal content-based instruction. So if I want to teach English, but I don't focus in grammar or structure or present perfect about English. No, I take a subject or a topic and I teach them about this topic but in English. So they are learning new things and using English. Objectives of CBI. Language learning is in the background, so it's not the principal thing in our knowledge. To develop general academic skills, to acquire learning skills and strategies for future, and priority given to content learning. What does a content-based instruction lesson look like? This is an example of a planning lesson. Preparation. Choose a subject of interest of a student. Could be a general topic about religion, could be about mathematics, biology, could be about holidays. Anyway, find 3 or 4 suitable sources that deal with different aspects of the subject. Could be websites, reference book, audio, videos, whatever you want. During the lesson, divide the class. So you can make like a competition and let them search more information by themselves. So they could share what they look for, what they learn, what they think about it, but in this case, only using English. How the CBI is useful for students. CBI allows the students learn language and subject matter simultaneously. They learn English because they have to use English, and they learn mathematics because is the principal subject matter. Using the language as a tool to acquire new information. Learners' interests and needs. You can take many topics for your classes about their favorite sports, what are their favorite pop stars, whatever you want, but only using English in our cases. They learn about this subject using the language they are trying to learn. How the CBI is useful for teachers. CBI allows to teach English and something more. To catch the interest of students easily. You can talk about their personal needs, but using English. To be creative with normal classes, and to try different kind of situations to use their English. Ask them about anything, what they think, how they feel, how does they look like. But so they have to think about another, they have to think the answer but in English. So they are not focused on what kind of auxiliary I have to use. No, what kind of answer do I have to say, but using English. Conclusion. CBI is an effective method of combining language and content learning. With CBI, learners gradually acquire greater control of the English language, led them to participate in academic and social environments. That was all. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.